All right, good morning, day 64. I am at Nashville Motos, which is the real reason that I am in Nashville. I am not a country music fan, and I'm not, I come from a big city, so I don't tend to hang out in big cities when I'm on these big long trips. But when I need a service, I have to come to a city. So the closest city with full BMW service was Nashville, to where I am in the trip. So this is a national chain owned by Motos America. They own BMW shops all over the country. And so here I am. Look, it's a double R. I miss track days. I'll get back to track days soon. So the babe needs, it's been 6K since I had an oil change. It's been at least 12K since I've done a lot of other big stuff. I wanted air filters done because it has been so dusty. The road is so dusty. So I said, you know what, since it needed air filter and I need oil change, and then he was listing off oh, let's maybe do a 12K service. And then they started listing off things needed for the 12K service. I'm like, you know what, all of that sounds good, because I was thinking of getting differential fluid done as well. So when I get back to the city, I was thinking of getting I was thinking of getting differential fluid done, but it's going to get done now, which I think it's due, and it is. So we're getting a full 12K service here today, which is why I'm in Nashville. Kind of came in around dinner time last night, and I went ahead and booked a motel for tonight as well, so I could leave the bike with them all day. So this kind of service does need to be booked in advance. So the last few days was okay, appointment in Nashville August 1st, appointment in Nashville August 1st, and I was kind of pushing through to get here, and push through my rear tire too much. Thankfully, the guys in Roanoke were able to put another rear on. And thankfully also these guys, because I had ordered a tire here ahead of time, these guys were like, no, yeah, we can sell that tire. Don't worry about it. You don't have to pay for it. So good. So the tire I pre-ordered here, they're not making me pay for it. Oh, thank you. Okay, Nashville Motos has the bike all day. And they've got a nice selection of pre-owned stuff here. Even a pre-owned 1800cc, the K 1800, which is the monster that the K bike became. I do not like those. What else they got? See, that's a decent, could be next RS. Why am I thinking next touring bike? The K bike is brilliant. Just gotta keep it going. All right, so I will post stuff. I guess I should go do some touristy things. I posted on Facebook suggestions for touristy things I should go do. First thing is go get some breakfast. Okay. All right, so that's my good morning, day 64. Babe's in for service. Bye. Okay, first touristy thing that I'm doing. This is Cumberland Bridge. First built here in 1824. Clearly that's not an 1824 structure. I am here because this is one of the interpretive points for the Trail of Tears. So at this place, Cherokee crossed the Cumberland River on the Nashville Toll Bridge during the forced march west from their homelands in the southern Appalachian Mountains. Nashvillians in the busy public square looked on as thousands of Cherokee passed through the city between October 16th and December 4th, 1838, along the northern route of the Trail of Tears. And you probably know how many of the Cherokee died on that. Or if you don't, you should look that up. So this newspaper clipping copy from 1838 calls this the last of the Cherokee, and it was not the last of the Cherokee. the Cherokee split into two bands, a western band and an eastern band, and there are still some Cherokee living in eastern Tennessee. Alright, I will now attempt the 15-minute walk to the Ryman Auditorium.
The balloons disappeared from the steamer. 5 were bursting. He stretched his life for shutting down. He also became a citizen for the bill magnificent tabernacle for national citizens, regardless of denomination, race, or
There's a sound check happening right now. For what? I don't know. And storytelling about the history of bluegrass going on up there. Two seconds ago, they were playing a guitar up there. Hey everybody, this is my good night day 64. Not sure if you can tell in this video what the weather is like right now, but that's lightning. Yep, that's lightning. That's the rain. Well, that's the rain gutter. Yeah, there you go. Rain gutter's doing its job. Whoa, there we go. Whole sky went up on that one. And Babe's getting a wash that she didn't get. And I'm kind of like under an eave here in the hotel. So that whoa! Did you see that? Did you see it on my face? Damn. Damn. Wow. Wow. There's trees, right? That's the outline of a tree right there. Which sometimes you can see when the whole sky lights up with the lightning. Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't take the bike to go out anyway, because if I was going out, I'd probably have a couple of cocktails. So I would probably take a taxi. And I'm like not in Nashville. I'm in. Did you say? That's a lot. I'm north of North Nashville, Joelton town. The days in here was a lot cheaper. So I would take a taxi somewhere. That's a lot of weather. Wow, we definitely got that one on the camera. Bum, bum, bum. This is kind of cool. I tell you what, this is really cool is it's 77 degrees. It's not really cold, and I'm not on the motorcycle, and I'm not camping, so. This is all just entertaining instead of being like puckety fuck. And Babe's getting a wash again. See if we'll keep the video on. See if we can get like lightning Babe. Some of those flashes are huge. Well, I can't film this for 10 minutes. Whoa. Nature, huh? It's cool. Maybe we'll get one more. Bing, bing, bing. Yep, there you go.